Hi guys, me again. Donna. I'm going to repack my personal bag that I threw everything in when I was doing the other bag on the last video. So when I was doing my carry-on bag on the suitcase on the last video, I threw everything in that I needed for this bag. So let's unpack what I threw in here and let's pack it up properly, okay? And see how it all fits. So we do have the water bottle. I'm going to leave it in a side pocket. And I have a umbrella and I'm going to leave it in this side pocket. So there's two side pockets in this bag, which is fantastic, right? So the front, we have a wallet that I'm going to use for my holidays. Nothing in it right now. But yeah, we're going to put my cards and that in there that I'm bringing with me, right? So, and I'll probably put my, not sure if I'm going to put my passport in this front pocket as well, or if I'm going to put that somewhere else on me. So yeah, so let's just unpack this. So let's take everything out and then we'll pack it properly and I'll show you exactly what's in here. I just threw this all in when I was getting the other bag packed. So let's just take it all out. And then we can pack it properly and see how it all fits. Okay, so what's in here? Like I said, I have the two side pockets. One has an umbrella in it and one has my water bottle in it. And my personal bag, I like to put a tag on it. You never know, you forget it somewhere, you lose it. And the tag, I only put in my name, my phone number, and my email address. No address, because if you put your home address, it says, hey, I'm gone away if anybody wants to rob this place. You know what I mean? So I don't do that. Okay, so in here, so I'm not bringing a laptop or anything like that. It does have a place that you can stick your laptop, but I'm not bringing one, so I don't need that. But I can use that for other stuff, right? So I'm going to put my liquids in there. So this is all my liquids. So I have my shampoo, conditioner, my teeth stuff. I've got some soap. I have disinfectant, toothpaste, and some cream. So I'm going to put that in the bag. I do have another little bag here just with my toothbrush in it and my dental stuff and my dental cleaning stuff and some Band-Aids. So I think it's a good idea to have some Band-Aids if you get a blister, you cut yourself, anything like that. I have a journal. I'm also going to stick that in here, so a little journal and a book. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to bring this book or which book, so I'm not going to put it in yet, but there's room for a book. And then I have my tarot deck. So I am bringing this tarot deck with me, the Lifesavers deck. It's a small edition, so it's a pocket-size edition. I'm bringing this one with me. So put that in there. This is for the flight. So this is my pillow, so my neck pillow. So you blow it up and you put it around your neck. It has a separate part here, gives you a little bit more support for your head. So yeah, so I'm gonna blow that up as I need it when I'm on the flight. So that's gotta go in. We're gonna put it over here. My eye mask. So this is my cute little eye mask for when I want to sleep. If the lights are bright or whatever, I'm going to put that on. So nobody, really disturbs, right? I'm going to throw in my knee brace in case I need it before I get to the hotel. I don't have to open up my carry-on suitcase. And these I will put on as soon as I get in the plane. And these are my stockings, keeps blood flow, so compression stockings, right? So I'm gonna put these on when I get in the plane. And I'm bringing another pair, put that right on top, bringing another pair to wear on the way home in case those ones get wrecked or something. I don't know how they're gonna hold up, so I don't want to take any chances. Then I have disinfectant wipes so that you wipe down your table when you sit down on the airplane. You wipe down your table, you wipe down the back of your seat, you wipe down everything that you can, your seatbelt, all that kind of stuff. Just wipe it down quickly, all done, and disinfected, okay? I bought these toilet seat covers, disposable toilet seat covers, so these I'm putting in here as well, so they'll be available. I need this for carrying my phone to do some recording, so I will be, I'll put this in here as well. Now, I might not need that before I get to Paris, but I want to have it with me when I get there, and I don't want to have to go digging for it. I have some pens, so I have a few pens. I'm going to throw those in. I have my electronics here, so my electronic bag, and then I have my noise canceling headphones, right? So I want to put that in as well. And then I have a brush, just so I can keep myself, you know, kind of feeling better. I can brush my hair. Yeah, so it just kind of make me feel better. And that's it for now. So there'll be some snacks I need to add and a book. It's plenty big enough. It's full, but it'll be just fine. It does not have the sleeve that goes over your carry-on, but I tried the handle, and if I cross the handle, put it over, it holds it very, very solid. Put that one over as well. I can still open the pocket, and we're good to go. So this will be excellent, so I don't have to worry it's not going to fall off. And then it does have a shoulder strap. Okay, so I have a garbage bag, and it's you know, small but big enough that'll fit in it. That I'm going to put this in before I stick it under my seat in the airplane, because I don't want it to get wet. I don't want it to get damaged. I don't want it to be full of germs. Stick it in here, and it's just so easy just to slip it inside of that, and it just helps protect it a bit. And that'll be it. So that bag is almost packed. So this will be the last thing. I have to put my medication in here. Not much else. So yeah, so this will be almost done. So this will be the last thing that I pack. Snacks, medication need to go in here, and a book. And that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps. And again, I will list everything in the description of everything that I put in here. We are one step closer to my trip, so this is fantastic. Be brave, be strong, and love endlessly.